Welcome to Luxury Listings. I'm Thomas and today we're at Azuri, one of the most exclusive lifestyle communities in Mauritius. We are discovering this elegant 4-bedroom townhouse located in the highly desirable Coralis residence. With 331 square meters of living space, the home offers beautiful volumes, high ceilings, and plenty of natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere throughout. The living spaces open onto a lush tropical garden with complete privacy and no overlooking neighbors, offering a true sense of peace. Outside, you find a spacious covered veranda, a private pool, and relaxing outdoor areas designed to fully enjoy the Mauritian lifestyle. In front of your house, the sea is just across the mangroves, bringing a serene and soothing environment only moments away from your doorstep. The townhouse features 4 spacious bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, a private parking, and several recent upgrades for comfort and practicality. This property is ideal for families, guests, as a primary home, but also as a secondary luxury residence. Living in Azuri is much more than owning a property. It's about security, quality of life, and community. Residents enjoy access to a beautiful 9-hole golf course, beach access with a boathouse and docking facilities, several restaurants and cafes, sports facilities, and everyday conveniences within a secure coastal estate. And all this only 20 minutes away from Gourmet. If you're looking for a peaceful, secure, and spacious tropical home in Mauritius, this property could be the perfect fit. Contact us for more information about this incredible townhouse. It was Thomas with Luxury Listings, and don't forget to subscribe for more content about the luxury market in Mauritius.